Mame ma akwaba emfa wombra Ghana insem TVGH so. Wofre me adwoa searching. Ebusuafo me stroke sa won subscribe ya me stroke no one subscribe. Me a notification bell no so for more news. Ebusuafo da bia me ka Ghana ha no me no youth no mu buade baba. Politicians ni bi na aye na ende youth obi atwe cameras ni ma na odi atem. Na odi ahemfofo atem, odi politicians atem, na omu di asofofo nso atem. In the social media no so yes for Duncan Williams youth ni bi aton krama wo almost so for nsesi catch his excellency John Dramani Mahama na se bio galamsey na ende almost see mu kro mo ye galamsey no on put stop to it na omo catch wo so for Duncan Williams straight when me say Ghana for yenya jimifu yenya jimifu obi eni ho de ne ye phone to aba be ye fast obi eni ho obopa yana kasa na yete wono kwa ye bompa ye hu ye left from your right ye de ebisado to awurade ni memba ntem na de bia ya bompa ya kwanche ye ntimi fa Ghana problems me kan ye de ho inti catch John Dramani Mahama wadamfo so on solve galamsey na mpai gbasem na wo kan de ejimisem ebusafo de nti na Ghana fo bi e kase Archbishop Duncan Williams e de nsem bia betuja na ebusafo o kire say we should pray for our water bodies nina eninti because in suno galamsey ne chemicals no mudigum na eha ya pomeden inda kidney issues abeye bebrewu abofra ne nsia ne nan ne ni wona ade no so for Duncan Williams yemfa yen fonto ne yembo mpan ne nsu ne nti forgetting say nsu na nya yefi no eye chemicals ene fra enote ne na ayesa nti ne chemicals ne de engu nsu ne mu ne yembo mpan ne nsu ne nti ne na so no na yenwu ewo abro betimi aka kire John Dramani Mahama na nimpedefo so almost stop galamsey omun declare state of emergency na galamsey so ntwa no so for Duncan Williams da on to minya say adwuma na mu obeka kire Ghana for yen problems kra ebu yen kon anya youth ende yete ya yentumi nto aduane ndi yentumi rent yentumi nto light yentumi nto water bill just a lorry fare bibia aye basa wo memu ne san so fa yen problems nto nche ne yen bompai ma his sen John Dramani Mahama na nsune ne nti na Ghana fun dia ne dimbo so ye galamsey yenti nsema so for Duncan Williams e dey too dwa
the children, the future of our children and our grandchildren, let that spell and deception be intercepted. We are praying concerning the healing of our water bodies and the land, that our water bodies and our land will not be poisoned through this galamsey. Something is going on which we won't recognize it today, because we are operating under a veil and a spell. It's a veil and a spell of money, politics, and manipulations of fetish and demonic powers. All kinds of things are going on behind the scenes. And unless you go to the back end by discerning of spirit, you really can't tell what's going on. But a lot is going on. And we need to also pray for our agriculture sector and for the Minister of Agriculture. We need to pray that there will be no food shortage in our land. So I'm not just talking about Ghana. Ghana is number one on my priority, but the nations from Togo, Nigeria, Benin, and Zimbabwe, Malawi, you name them. We want to specifically pray that there will be no food shortage, because the land is being poisoned. Through the poison of the water, we are poisoning the land. So a time may come where we cannot sow and yield fruit or crops in the land, because the land is poisoned. So it cannot bear fruit. It can't yield the crops we need. And even if it does, because the land is poisoned, the food we are eating, the tomatoes, the yam, the apim, the kontomre, the pepper, everything that comes from outside of the main city, they are poisoned. Eventually, if nothing happens, they keep being poisoned. So we will be eating mercury. We will be eating mercury. just can't leave it to the politician only. And that's why I keep saying it is important to pray for those in authority and for whoever the president is, irrespective of the political party, because it looks like this two-party democratic system we're operating is dividing us as a nation and is turning us as enemies. So we hate one another. But I pray that there shall come a day where we will be united and brotherly love will prevail among us instead of this division and bitterness and a sense of I will show you and a sense of revenge. It's just too much sickness in this system. And I don't know about your system where you come from, but lift up your hands, say we apply the blood of Jesus.
Ebusafo ensem way na Archbishop Duncan Williams ede Ay3ka na papa ye pese ye ka che mo asofo abo Ghana ha no say mu just from A to Z mo ye hypocrite and a journalist for so amo Ghana mo ye hypocrite. Me, I always say this. I always say Ghana ha these two political parties no mo di Ghana so no obia Mr. Obio, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama and Anerema Lodina, Vice President Mami Jane Wensa, Felix Ofosukwache, Sami Jemfi, just said to the last person who NDC meaning say NPP far better than NDC when it comes to infrastructures, when it comes to policies. I mean, Obia wa Ghana ha bi any. But you see, Debia make say Ghana ha no no. Omo pe NPP accept. Titrupa His Excellency the former president and now the Duncan Ghana full time papa because yes remember
right Governor, with all due respect yene Osofo Panyi Archbishop Duncan Williams in Inkomode na me say with all due respect sometimes ya sofo no womo nneoma ne womo nneoma bi a womo ka e ka ho bi ntina sabe nkoda bi a womo ni nso ade etimi kasa tia womo didi womo atem e de womo anim ye fom ne ade a na ye mbedi atem ye me kasa ntia obi a ye me fa obi anim ye fom na emom say oh you're wrong we will let you know say you are wrong. That is what we will do here. Ye ni watem ye kasa fi bi ntia because sabe mprediasa Osofo Panyi Archbishop Duncan Williams baby a na tifie do ni baby a ne tipenso adu no kwabna will deserve any form of respect this platform beti media man. So the least in that ye be ye say ye be kasi ye be dinatem and ye be kansem bi a ensem fatadi afa ne ho. But kwabna Archbishop say galamse ene kosuni adi Archbishop Duncan Williams say one na asore ma wo mo bompaye se insuo na ni beti na no sabi mpredi asan ye tibi we empaibo timiti insuo ni wa bra galamse guso koso empaibo ti insuo ni mane ye wo de tie
The children
na now the baby ni 8 years na yesha remember His Excellency John Dramani Mahama be president from 2012 to 2016 akotene fia sanso aba 2024 eko 2026 2027 na eniama ekoso wo Ghana ha without COVID-19 abusuafo time muma yenka nokre His Excellency with all due respect wamembu we time papa amembu no ebon kun na amembu fu ayeti wo Ghana ha no me no journalist for ayedin guess what asofofo ayedin ehia he council for ayedin e wa bra na NDC wo so a COVID ba ye wiase afa na nyina emu nkam fa so e bi kan Ghana o market ti say Ghana ye to airport je say importation and exportation and ba bra ye bre wo maimu asofofo kodwuna mo asori dem na mo de omo Mike na to fi omo adumre de ato ho na omo de omo ano boda na ado na chi na Dr. Baumia de kire na asori mba na ye kwato aba ne ba NDC na se NDC aba galamse aginsem dollar rate no e wo 12 11 say NDC for ba free 17 cedis I think say 15 cedis or say 14 cedis na ye tumi to aduane wo kro me ha no omo abefa de aba 11 na 12 ni ntimi to aduane asofofo ayedin asofofo nkasa enne galamse fitiri komutu galamse akoso na epum si kromutu galamse wo enso asofofo ayedin adan your favorite darling boy His Excellency John Dramani Mahama no obu amembo So you dare not touch him. You dare not talk about him. And you want me just say bibia ye bas just say I don't think madness because any me cause wo Ghana ye ni president go anke ye. Say ampampa ye ni president anke ye because NDC for mo aba mo 2 years. Monka policies amudi egu akwan ma kire say Ghana youth mo ba mo adwuma aye mo ndampo ndwen ho 24-hour economy mo bubu schools na mo sisi market just asem we no me nkwa na kire say e bia so mo ye Ghana fo juju a me e bi nkam ya na because me nti ase e ba ne sen e na wo si wo bubu sisi market dey 24-hour economy na ye koka NDC fo no mo ne den almost sanso be ebe ka kire say 20 market na mo sisi no enye 24-hour economy no mo de ba beye felisofo so kwache e kan kwase asem chen say betumi adu wache anadwo fufu anadwo no wa sanso be ka kire say na felisofo so kwache o ka say bedu fufu anadwo wache anadwo no ehi na ye beton no nye market na ye beton nti say mo easy market na yes mo buy 24-hour economy wa sanso be ka say market na 24-hour economy no mo de ba be na mo de ba be den and this boy abramu ya abramu e wo kro me hwam why